How to reset default settings in Windows 7. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, go to search bar and search for settings. Right click on settings and you'll find app settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll all the way down till you find settings. Reset. Click on reset. If you click on reset again, this will permanently delete the system components data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details, and you can reset all default settings. This is how to reset default settings in Windows 7. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.